Hi, my name is Yusuf Arsu, and today I'll be discussing Coulomb's law. As we know, when you have a positive charge or two negative charges, they are going to repel each other, while if you have a negative and positive charge, they are going to attract to each other. The purpose of Coulomb's law is to predict what is going to be the force of the electrostatic force of attraction or repulsion. Now let's look at an example. So here we have two charges of an opposite on opposite directions, which are represented with Q's, and then there is some distance between these two charges, which is represented by the letter R. Coulomb's law states that the magnitude of the force, so the equation right here, so the magnitude of the force is equal to, no, is proportion to the product of the magnitudes of the charges over the distance squared. Now let's look at this model. This model presents a positive charge of 5 times 10 to the negative 3 coulombs, and then a negative charge, negative 1 times 10 to the negative 1 coulombs. And then it has a distance of 0.5 meters. And we are trying to determine the magnitude of the force between these two charges. Before plugging in the numbers given to the formula, we are missing one key component, which is the electrostatic constant, the K part. So the K part is 9, approximately it's 9. So let's do the approximate thing. So 9 times 10 to the 9th. Okay, and then so now we have every variable, we can just plug in everything. So K, which is a constant, is this. So 9 times 10 to the 9th times the absolute value of Q1 and Q2, which is the charges. So 5 times 10 to the negative 3 and negative 1 times 10 to negative 1. And then absolute value. And then over R squared, which is 0.5 squared. So when you type this in your calculator, you will get the answer of 1.8 times 10 to the 7th, 10 to the 7th newtons. And that's how you do Coulomb's law. Thank you, and have a nice day.